Introducing the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. This adventurous SUV features a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, a massive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, heated front seats, and a remote vehicle start system. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Ready to tackle the trails and the city streets in style? The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend is your ticket to exploring everything from the scenic backroads of Mission to the bustling streets of the Fraser Valley. Finished in a rugged desert sand exterior with a medium light smoked truffle interior, this SUV is as capable as it is eye-catching. You'll love the convenience of the LED headlamps and tail lamps, along with mirrors that are both power adjustable and heated. For those rainy days in Abbotsford, the rain-sensing wipers and acoustic laminate windshield keep your drive quiet and clear. The interior is designed for utility with a rotary gear shift dial, illuminated entry, and cargo management system complemented by a dedicated cargo mat. It even features active grille shutters to optimize performance as you cruise down the Highway 1. Maneuvering is a breeze thanks to the reverse camera system and rear parking sensors. Plus, with the pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and the lane keeping system, you have extra eyes on the road at all times. Whether you are parking at Sevenoaks or heading out for a weekend at Cultus Lake, the Intelligent Access and Ford Pass Connect keep you seamlessly linked to your vehicle. A common question people ask is what makes the interior of the 2025 Bronco Sport Big Bend so functional for daily use. According to the vehicle specifications, the interior features cloth heated front seats and a power driver's seat with lumbar support for maximum comfort. For utility, it includes a MOLLE strap system for organizing your gear, a 60/40 fold-flat rear seat for versatile storage, and heavy-duty floor liners. Dual illuminated visors and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel ensure a personalized and comfortable driving position every time you get behind the wheel. Safety is also a priority, with advanced track with roll stability control and a comprehensive safety canopy system. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.